Hey, what's going on everybody? Just wanted to show you an app that I've built which lets you play Smoke on the Water just by clicking on some different buttons. So this is what it looks like when you go to the website. It's smokewater.bubbleapps.io, and I'll just give you a quick rundown of how to actually play the riff. So you can just click on the buttons to make the sound play. Here it goes. Let me do that again a little bit slower so you can try and follow the pattern. Here we go. There's a few other things you can muck around with on here. I've got the vocals, here they are, and pitch shifted vocals. I've also got a drum beat and guitar solo. These two recordings go for about a minute. If you want them to stop, just click on the stop button. So there you go. Have fun.